Guys, good morning! So, site updates tayo for today's ganap. So, we're here at Florence Lipa by Next Asia. Ito na po ang status ng ating community. As you can see, ginagawa na ang model house. Napakalapit nang matapos ng ating models. And beat the price increase tayo mga madam kasi magka-price increase na po tayo. And i-avail nyo pa rin ang ating promo na almost 200,000k discount. So yan po, kitang-kita yung mountain, overlooking mountain siya. Ito po ay complete amenities at napakalapit sa Lima at the same time. Malapit sa gagawing Rockwell Center, Lipa. So yan po ang kanyang amenities, swimming pool, basketball court, clubhouse, sungka. Ito lang po ang complete amenities na 7,000 lang ang down payment and as low as 6,000 monthly DP lang po. So yan po yung ating model house. As you can see, napakalapit ito sa katabi lang po ito ng school ng Barangay Plaridel. So if you're interested and you want to avail our existing promo kasi magka-price increase tayo, i-message nyo lang po ako, i-assist ko kayo sa tripping. So yun lang and see you po sa tripping. God bless. Bye-bye!